So guys, for the first step, you want to go into your BIOS. To do that, you want to go to search and type in reset this PC. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on restart now. And then click on restart now again. Wait for this to load. And now once we're here, you want to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and then UEFI firmware settings. And then click on restart. It's now going to take us into our BIOS. And now once we're in our BIOS, if you're using the B450M DS3H motherboard and your screen looks like this, then you want to click on F2 on your keyboard. It's now going to look like this. Make sure that you're in the MIT tab. Now you want to click on advanced frequency settings and then double click on advanced CPU settings. You should now be seeing SVM mode. Double click on it. Make sure that you have it enabled. We can now save and exit. Save and exit setup, and then click on yes. Go back into Windows, and then the problem should be fixed.